I have to show you something. So here, this is Till I Die, my Till I Die apparel, and I've been waiting for this, and I'm so super duper excited. So I thought I would actually come in and unveil my goodie bag. So I wanted everybody to see. I know it's like Christmas in July, except it's June. It's not even July yet. But look at the goodies that I just got in the mail. I got my joggers. Oops, sorry, this way. Awesome, awesome. I can't wait to put these on. I'm using these on recovery days or chill mode. I'm very excited for that. Woohoo! Till I die, baby. Then also, oh yeah, look at my pineapple, my cute little on my shoulder till I die. All right, nice performance stuff. Oh my gosh, super soft. I can't wait to wash this and be able to wear it. And then I've got my joggers, and I've got more stuff, but stay tuned. I'll show you next round. Bye.